Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about the number one online business that you can start and grow in India with minimum to no investment. So if you stay till end of this video, I am going to give you this free ebook, the 11 best online business to start and grow, a step-by-step guide for beginners. No? You can just grab this free ebook. So as part of this online business video series, the first business that I want to introduce to you is blogging. The purpose of this video is to tell you about what are the different questions. Like I want to answer the basic questions, the beginners questions that people have while they start thinking to start a blogging online business. They have these kind of different questions. How much does it cost to start a blog? I don't have money, how can I start a blog? I don't have the required skills to start a blog, still can I start a blog and make money? How can I start and make money? How much does I get money from this blogging business? I come from a non-technical background, still I can start this blogging business. How fast I can make money? What if I fail? And is this a get rich scheme? And what are the different revenue options that are available for a blogger? And what is a profitable niche to start with? So these kind of different questions most of the beginners have. So I am going to discuss all these questions and I'm going to provide all the answers for you. First of all, there are three types of bloggers. Okay, the first type are they just keep on writing without any expectation, like they are hobby bloggers. And the second type of people are they want to establish a authority blog, and from there they want to sell their own products, and they want to be in this game for a long term, and build multiple online business around this blog. And there are other people who want to sell other people products or services by recommending suitable um, product and services to their community by adding valuable content on their blog. So these are the three different type of bloggers you will find. So these are the different things that I want to discuss with you, before we go ahead. How much does it cost to start a blog? Basically you require 2000 rupees to 6000 rupees. Those money you will be spending on buying a domain name, and investing that money on a good hosting services. So those money will go on to this domain and hosting. And what is the return on investment? Like the return on investment, if you do blogging as a business, you can become a authority in your space, you can gain trust of your audience, and then you can make money by affiliate marketing. So anything around 20,000 to 5 lakhs or even more you can earn to this blogging. And what is the average time that will you require to make money through blogging? Like few people will make money immediately, within 6 months. Few people will take 2 years to make money from their blog. So it all depends upon how consistently you are adding valuable content on your blog that is solving your readers problem, and how you are going to monetize your blog. So these are the key things that will help you to make money fast through blogging. and we'll discuss like what are the skills that are required to do blogging. Like you have to be good at content creation, and the basic fundamental thing that you have to be good at is finding profitable keywords that will help you to get on the first page of Google. And you have to know how to set up a blog, and you have to know how to do search engine optimization, different ways of generating traffic through organic mediums, and how you can find out to the affiliate products. This is the key. Like you no need to write content which cannot be monetized. You have to write content which is valuable to your audience, which will solve your audience problems, and thus you can recommend some products and services so that you can make affiliate income. So if you see the revenue options like affiliate income, sponsored posts, like you can sell your info products, or you can sell your services, consultancy service, or you can get some influencer opportunities. You can use this blog to make multiple online business, and consulting, speaking, and some collaboration. Through all these sources you will make some money if you treat blogging as a business and build a authority blog from day one. And why you need to do blogging? Like if you want to invest uh, few money, like less than 5,000, like if you have 5,000 to 10,000, you can start this blogging. And then if you want to get a job, you can start blog and showcase your blog as a proof to your employer. And you can also learn digital marketing skills fast by starting a blog. When once you start a blog, you will learn like how to write, how to promote, how to get those backlinks, how to get on top of the Google page. So like so many things that you will learn, like all the basic fundamentals and concepts about digital marketing once you do blogging. And then you can build a digital business around your blog as you produce valuable content, as you build a community, as you build your own list. Then you can build a multiple online business around your blog. So you can sell your info products, you can you can get some speaking opportunities, some collaborations. So there are so many other things. And one more thing is like you can get that trust, social proof, and authority by blogging. You can sell your own services or courses if you have any to the community. And then like if you have a business or a startup, you can generate business to your startup through by blogging, by producing valuable content that solves your target audience. And then you can get some freelance work, and you can start your own digital agency. And there will be different opportunities that will unfold once consistently be in this game. And let us see like what are the budget required to start a professional blog. We'll break down the cost for you. Rupees 300 to rupees 800 per year you have to spend on domain is nothing but your blog name, like it's your online address. Say for example, I have vishnuvengala.com on my name, and one more is freshersbuddy.com. So these are the like domain name, like that's the name of my online, like my blog name. So you have to register those names with the domain registers like GoDaddy and Namecheap. And then you have to invest on hosting, like you have to store all these content, this blog you have to store in a servers. So you have to invest in hosting, like hosting services like again GoDaddy or SiteGround or Hostinger or A2 hosting. So anything around rupees 2000 to 4000 you have to pay for this hosting services per year. And then like if you want you can go with WordPress, you know, free theme or premium theme. And WordPress theme is nothing but like your design layout, like you know, your design, how you know your website looks. So see, for example, like you know, um, uh, if you know, if we are building a house, you should have a land, and then you name that house, and then you have beautiful interior and you nice painting colors, right? So like here, your name of the house is like your domain name, and your hosting is your land, and your theme is nothing but your interior design, like those painting and colors, how beautiful your house looks. So these are the different things that you have to invest. And then you have to invest on very good professional logo. No, you can design your own logo on Canva, or you can spend some 250 rupees to 500. You can hire some some freelancers on Fiverr or other places. So then like you have to invest in an email marketing tool, so that you collect those email IDs and phone numbers and those names, so you can give like exclusive content to these your loyal followers. And that's how you are going to recommend your products or services. That's how you're going to get affiliate income. So from day one you have to focus on all these things. Like you have to come up with some brandable domain name. And if you don't have any, if you just want to practice, you can register on your name. And then you have to invest in nice professional hosting services. And you can go with generate press free theme, or paid theme. And you can always invest on your logo. That's how be look professional in your target audience. So these are the different kind of investment that you have to put if you want to build a professional blog. And as I discussed, these are the key skills that are required to build a profitable blogging business. The first thing is like the keyword research. Like you have to find the questions, the problems, what the your audience are looking into, and then write content around those questions, those topics that your audience looking into. And those questions have to be profitable. Like you have to have any affiliate products or services that you can recommend to this audience. And the next one is you have to basic thing, like you have to set up your blog, and then you have to know how to build a professional blog, how to publish an article, how to build backlinks, search engine optimization, WordPress. And you should know how the organic ways to get traffic to your blog. There you have to use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or other social media channels. And you should know the basic things of email marketing, how to how to write emails, how to create a list, how to send autoresponder emails. So I'll create specific videos in coming days around this email marketing. And then you have to be good at solving people's problems. So you have to be, that's the key over here. Like your content is the money making thing for you. So these are the 8 key elements that you have to keep in mind. Okay, your mindset has to be very focused and you have to be in this game for a long time, and you have to be consistent, and you have to focus on generating quality content. You have to write content for people, and then you have to select a profitable niche. Like you cannot write anything like some random things. you know you have to focus a profitable niche where you can monetize and get money out of it. And you have to be very good at finding um, uh, these keywords are nothing but these questions that people ask. Like if you are in the digital marketing space, like how you can set up a blog is a long tail keyword. How you can set up a e-commerce store, how to run Facebook ads. So these are the different long tail keywords that you can if you are in a digital marketing space. So you have to come up with all these keywords. So I'll record another video where you can use free tools and come up with different content ideas and do a proper keyword research, and write beautiful articles that will help you to monetize your blog and make some money. And you have to know about the funnels and different tools. You have to learn how to operate these tools, and definitely you have to invest time and money as well. So for that professional logo, or if you want to um, for reliable hosting services and all, you have to invest money, and you have to learn these SEO skills fast, and then you have to find the ways to monetize your blog. These are the key things. And as I said, like you have to fix your mind, like this is a long term game, and this is not a quick get quick rich scheme kind of a thing. And you have to build your own authority, and you have to add value to your community, and use this blog as your central hub, so that you build your authority, you build your trust, and you can build multiple online businesses. Once you master once you build an authority blog, then you can try to go into other spaces. Like you can uh, you will know how to create and make money through Amazon affiliate website. Know how you can buy domains and sell those domains, how you can build blogs that will make money that you can sell later on. And you can also collaborate with other people. You can get some freelance projects, or you can start your own digital agency once you learn these digital marketing skills through blogging. So this is a long term game, and there are so many revenue options, so many opportunities for you if you treat this blogging as a business. And you have to find a profitable topic. Like these are the four different niches that will help you to become profitable. Health is a good profitable niche. Relationship, make money online, and business growth. In this also you have to find micro niche. Like if you want to go with health, then you can focus on herbal products that will help your help immunity. So you, if you have that knowledge, or that expertise, you can focus on those kind of herbal products, and you can tell health tips and those all those. How you can also start blogging related to fitness. And you can go further deep into solving a specific set of people. And then make money online and business growth. You can only write around how you can help business to generate quality leads using Facebook itself. So you will be focusing on writing, articles on only on Facebook. You can only focus how you can use YouTube platform and generate quality leads. Otherwise, like, you can focus on how you can use different funnels and generate, quality leads and convert those leads to sales. So these are the different profitable niches that you can find. And I'll also try to do, a separate video on how you can find your profitable niche, a detailed video. And here the key over here is, how you can promote and identify affiliate products, based on these niches. So before you start a blog, try to identify if that niche is a profitable niche. If you have other people, in that niche, like if you have very good competition, if more and more people are writing articles around those topic, then it seems like, it's a profitable niche and people are making money out of that, topic. Then you have to identify the affiliate products and services that you can, sell to your audience. So say for example, on my freshers buddy blog, I promote different tools related to email marketing, hosting, and automation tools, themes. So those are the affiliate products that I can recommend to my audience. So that's how you have to find a profitable topic and affiliate products. And then you start, your come up with some 30 to 50 topics that are, very valuable to your audience, and write those 30 to 40 draft articles before you start this blogging, and then start your blog and be consistent. So this is the key thing, guys. Like, the keyword research is the basic foundation for your blogging success. So you have to think like, why someone have to read your blog post, what is in it for your readers, how you are going to solve your readers problems, or how you are going to take them from their present situation to a desired situation. So just write for people. No, try to use this Quora platform, Google suggestions. No, there are other things that I will discuss in separate video. So you can find out, like, some 50 to 100 questions, and from those questions do a proper keyword research, and around those questions you can write content that is valuable for your audience. Okay, so these are the Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public, Quora, and Google Search. These are the different tools that will help you to do a proper keyword research, and, uh, help you to become successful online through blogging. So these are the tools that you will require. Like, as I said, like, WordPress theme, like GeneratePress or Astra theme is fine. Like, if you want, you can start with GeneratePress free theme, and, later on, once you are starting making money, you can invest on premium theme. And for the hosting, you can go with A2 hosting, SiteGround, and Hostinger. Like, if you are, if you want to start on a budget, if you don't have money to start, you can always go with, Hostinger. Like, I will give all the links in the below of this video in the description. You can just go and, check out, like, what are the prices, they are offering right now. Domain name, you can, always buy from, GoDaddy or Namecheap. And, if you are buying from a new email ID, for the first time you will get, some discount, 30 to 50 60% discount, so that, it will not cost you more than 250 rupees. And you can always, invest money on email marketing, on GetResponse. It is a budget friendly tool, so that, you will learn how to do email marketing, and the same skills that you learn through blogging, you can, use these skills to get some freelance projects, some social media work, some digital marketing work from your local local people. I'll also do separate video on how you can find clients and how you can pitch them, and what are the skills and how you can present those kind of things. I'll upload on this YouTube channel. And this Sendfox, right now they are offering a lifetime deal, and you can check out that. This is also a very budget friendly email marketing tool. I'll give you the link in the description, you can check over there. So as I said, like these are the different revenue options. Like you can recommend affiliate products, products or services. You can sell your own services, consulting services, or any designing services, or digital marketing consulting services. You can get revenue from sponsored posts, collaborations, and you can sell your own courses or products. So those are the different revenue options. And by doing blogging, as I said, you can venture into other online business and make money online. So I'll show you now the simple lead magnet funnel, so that you can collect the email list and recommend affiliate products to your followers and make money. So this is a simple blog funnel that you have to create immediately. So once you have figured out those 50 to 100 burning questions of your target audience, once you have that 20 to 40 draft articles, and once you post consistently on your blog, you have to invest on this email marketing tool. Before that, try to come up with some lead magnets. Lead magnets are nothing but offer. So like I have different lead magnets, like ebooks. I give away ebooks or mini course or other things, like swipe file, a checklist, or some coupons or some case studies. Like there are different kind of lead magnets that you can create and give it to your audience, so that they will give you their name, email ID, so that using this email marketing tool, you can send across exclusive content that is more valuable to them. And in between, like after sending 5 to 6 emails, or once in a month or twice in a month, you can recommend some affiliate products. Like once these people buy from your affiliate link, you'll get some money. So this is the simple blog funnel. Like you have your blog, you write articles. In that articles, in between those articles, you can place this lead magnet, or on the side of the blog, you can put those lead magnets, like like email course, or free ebooks, or mini course, or swipe files, or checklist. Those are the things that you can come up and offer to your audience in exchange of their email ID. So once you get the email ID, you write a predefined email sequence, and you add more value, exclusive value that is not available on blog, that is exclusively for your warm audience. These are serious people, and they are looking for those desired results, and they want to solve their problem. When you recommend products or service that will help them, then you can make money. Look, affiliate income. And also you push these people to your most active social media channel. Like if you are most active on any Facebook group or Instagram or YouTube channel, you can push these guys, tell them that I have I add more exclusive content on my Facebook group and Instagram profile. Check out my other channels, so that I'll add more exclusive content on over there, so that these people will engage with you. And whenever you come up with some affiliate products that will help your audience, then you will get money through this. So this is a simple blog funnel that you have to start implementing immediately once you start your blog. So like these are the different starting questions, a few of the bloggers once they want to start a blog, these kind of questions people ask, like how to set up a blog. No, I have written a complete detailed blog post on freshersbuddy.com. You can go and check, and how to set up a blog using WordPress domain and what kind of hosting service, a step by step guide I have given in that blog post. You can check over there. And how we can pick a profitable niche, I will do a separate video. But as of now, try to focus on this health or relationship or make money online or business growth. So these are the broad niches. You can go more deep into these kind of niches and find your micro niche, like you can start, if you are a if you want to become a mom blogger, like you can focus on helping people, like different workouts that will help to become normal after pregnancy. Like you can only target people who are pregnancy, and you can, like if you want, you can uh, write articles around the nutritions, or what kind of food, what kind of diet that you have to intake when you are pregnant. And you can also create a separate niche blog on fitness. You can also create a separate niche on digital marketing exclusively on tools only. Like there are 100 plus of valuable tools that are helpful for startups, online business people, and entrepreneurs. You can write a separate blog on tools that will help them to become save their time and money, and get more results. So this is how you can go deep into specific segments. And then people also want to choose the right hosting. Like if you're just starting out, choose anything, like any A2 hosting, or or SiteGround or Hostinger. Like the first thing is, like you have to start immediately. You have to implement. You have to put those articles. You have to add value. You have to collect those emails. Like once you collect, once you write, once you be in this game for 3 months, 6 months, you will come to know more about. Like you will you will face different problems. You will search online. You will find answers yourself, and then you can pick up the best hosting services. Here the key thing is how fast you want to take action, how fast you want to implement what you have learned now. So just go with any hosting, straight away. No, don't try to find out, what are the different hosting services. No, you have to learn these skills fast. You have to, be in this game. So writing those articles will take, your lot of time. For me, in the initial days, I took more than 7 days to 15 days to write one article. In the beginning days, I was unable to write an email, but after starting, after 3 months, 4 months, I started writing more than 6,000 words of articles on freshersbuddy.com. So those kind of a things, that once you step in, once you take actions, once you implement, once you be consistent, you will anyways try to come up with all this. But as of now, as a beginner, just go with what are the tools I have recommended. Just follow this thing, and you will definitely, you can change later on. So how to get traffic and the content ideas? Like I'll like as I said, like I'll do separate video on keyword research and how to come up with content ideas. So there are different tools, and all these tools are free. You can come up with different content ideas. Try to identify questions. Try to identify people questions on YouTube and Google. So Quora. So there are so many other tools that will help you to come up with better content. And this will help you to, if you write for the people, like if you write, if you solve people problems, definitely you are going to get the traffic, and that's how you're going to make money. and what kind of lead magnets that I have to create. Like just create some 3-day email course or 5-day email course or 10 checklists. Like if you are into pregnancy or fitness, you can come up with 10 steps that will help you to lose your belly fat organically. So those are the 10 food items that are available in your home or in your kitchen. So those kind of a list or a swipe file or a mini course or an email course or an ebook, these kind of lead magnets you can create. So then how to collect these email IDs. As I said, like you can go, you can start investing from the day one on email marketing tool and collect your emails from your audience. And how to find affiliate products. So try to do research, try to find product your competitors, what they are writing, what they are promoting. And you can just check, like all the bloggers will have on the top of their blog, home, contact us, they'll have their resources or tools page. So in that you can just see, like what are the tools or what are the resources, what are the products they are promoting. And also you can check their articles, like all the review articles, and those product comparison articles. And if they are linking to something, some product, like that is their affiliate products. You can list out your competitors, and you can list out your people who are writing articles in your niche, in your topic. Sort down some 10 to 20 blogs. You will definitely find more than 30 to 50 affiliate products. So as I said, like this is a free ebook that you can download. I'll drop a link below this description, like what are the 11 best online businesses to start and grow in India with minimum to no investment. So you can just grab this free copy of this book. That's all from this video. If you like the kind of content that I publish on this channel, you can like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the other video. Until then, bye bye.